This is either a Carrier or a Bryant, but I'd imagine Carrier heat pump. Find out in a minute what it is. It's either Carrier Corp. Serial 4796E 19769, model 38YCB024310. So it's a 2-ton product. 38YCB024-311-. This thing is tiny. It goes up to here on me. It's got a Tecumseh reciprocating compressor, and the house next door has what I believe to be a temp star. But this is very quiet and small. It's about half the size. See there? It's blowing cold air out of there, so I'd imagine is this a heat pump? Sure it is, and I've got winds in my face right now. Oh yeah, it's a heat pump. There's the reversing valve. Can't see it, but the blades are actually spinning this way. It's a little bit faster than what you see in the camera. Here's the uninsulated suction line along with the liquid line. Hot to the touch. That is hot. Here's the connections. Disconnect box. But this thing's quiet. And the thing with these older Carriers is the fan grill likes to rust out on. There's that one over there. I can't go over there. I think it's a temp star. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll take some still pictures now of this and combine it all in. So over.